Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. So how do you create your Binance account on PC? Well, let's go ahead. So search the Binance here on the search tab and select the Binance US crypto because this is the one that's most functional of all. You can use this on phone, but it's best used in PC. Click on sign up. Let's just wait for it to load it. In here, put an email. Again, this has to be an active email and password. So let's just put it here and put the password here and agree on terms and conditions and verify your email. They've sent a code to your email. You put the code here. So once you put the code here, click on enter, and that's basically it. So this is a new account that I'm creating just so you guys could get a feel on how to actually do this. So I've inputted the code, so here it is, the new account with 0 balance. So yeah, you could start trading here, you could start buying crypto. That's basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.